today it has been raining pretty much all this morning, and just a couple seconds ago we saw one deer and 3 wild turkeys. They're over there on the wood chip pile.
And where did these wild turkeys go?
Wild turkeys into the woods, and the deer just went in the woods.
Okay, good to know.
Now to Aiden with our box report. Aiden's box
report! And
brought to you by Tigger.
Oh, that's good to know, Aiden. Now, what are you doing for us today?
Performing front flips and
okay.
360s.
Let's watch. Aiden's box report. Now back to you, Anna.
Hi, and also Echo. She might be pregnant, and she's still missing.
We must find her.
Her husband, Andy, is really sad because they were about to go on their honeymoon. So who knows where they are? But Andy is sad. Now back to you, Allison.
Okay, that's our story for today. Signing off at Animal Come. Goodbye.
Brought to you by